Hi guys, my name's Dylan and today we'll be taking a look around our BMW M340D. So it's in Black Sapphire paint. It's a beautiful metallic. As new condition. The alloy wheels with the red brake calipers there as well. Just a look down there. So we take a walk around. You can see it's in incredible condition, no dents or scratches. The optional alloys there as well with a Shadowline Plus pack, so black trim all around. So only one owner from new, and we've still got the original bill of sale from BMW as well. So take a quick look over that now. So that was from Rybrook, Wolverhampton, and it's got the full spec detail there as well. Technology pack being one of the main ones, head-up display and the Harman Kardon sound. We've got the health report here as well. So brake wear, we've got 10% on the front and 10% on the rear, and an average of about 4 mil on the tyres. So the first year service isn't yet due, but we could carry one out if that was required. Just take a quick look inside. So the rear seats as new. It's coming up quite dark on the camera. They do look as though they've never been used. And you got the beautiful stitching on the seat belts there as well. You can just see the Harman Kardon down on the passenger doors, which is nice. So we move inside, again as new condition. Harman Kardon sound system, and it's still got the protectors on the sill plates. And great condition on the leather there as well. So every vehicle is machine polished in-house, and is also checked with a paint depth gauge before we purchase, just to make sure there's been no previous paint work. Move inside now. We've got the folding mirrors there, and the head-up display just down there. It's a nice digital dash now in the newer BMWs. And it's still got the remaining of the manufacturer's warranty as well. Got the heated seats down there, and the auto high beam on the stalk there as well, which is nice. So I think that's pretty much everything. Of course, any questions or queries, or if you need a part exchange valuation, then please do get in touch and we'll do our best to help. Thanks for watching.